The problem never presents itself within the first week after the client leaves. The problem,
depending on the strength of the person's hair, because
okay,
you know what I'm saying? Fine, thin hair compared to thick, coarse hair, amount of hairs per square inch, or somebody with medium to fine hair, but is blown out with bleach and it's really weak and fragile, and you do it wrong, they're gonna experience, let's say there's 50 hairs in that little section that you're connected to, and you do it at that wrong angle. So maybe just a 10 or 20 across the top of that section are holding the weight. So then when it hangs down, 30 or 40 in there are not holding the weight. Well, those 10, they start breaking.
They're going to snap. Oh, yeah.
They're going to start breaking, and you might start experiencing some of the problems within the first day or two or a week or two like yours. So I would say most of the time, you're right, most of the time, the problems don't present themselves on that day. But that is what causes a little pain, little red bumps. They're like, why do I have little red bumps on my head? It's like, well, it's each hair is getting pulled more than it should, and it's forming a little blister around each strand of hair that's hanging way too heavy on your head. So then you get itching, you get pain, you get blisters, you get some scratching, then you get traction alopecia. Traction just means pulling. And so then the alopecia means bald. So you're losing hair, just a few hairs at a time, but those 10 at the top of the section fall out and it drops to the next section, Before you know it, all 40 or 50 strands are pulled right out of the head and the extension is on the dance floor.